This is not easier, this is not easier, this is not easier. Okay, so Toyota Aygo. The main reason of the video is to see if I can remove the dashboard quicker than cutting the immobilizer out. So the blade is already cut. Ignition turns on. Okay. I get loads of messages from you guys saying, oh, it's easier to remove the dashboard instead of cutting the immobilizer out. So I've never done that. I never done that before, so here it goes. That goes out. That goes out. There's one in there. So I have to take the airbag out as well. Huh? I think so. Nu, cum să pornească? Nu pornește. This is not easier, this is not easier, this is not easier, this is not easier. Where is the little thingy? It's here. Okay. Quickly, check it. Oh. Where the... Oh, it's this one. This is not easier. This is not easier. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it easier. All done. Everything is back on. I don't see how this is easier. Unless, at least not for me. So I'm gonna keep cutting the thing. Right, remote control. Done!